Hello, this is Patrick. Welcome to Chart Built Wealth, profitable investing with technical analysis. Everything's going really well today, from AbbVie to copper to gold miners to gold to utilities. But I wanted to give you a quick update on copper. So let's get into it. So this was the original pattern, and when it broke out, initiated a buy, went all the way up to 31. I think it was like 31.05 that we sold at, went to a neutral rating, and then reestablished a buy rating June 2nd. And I want to say it was at about 28. This is the copper ETF, CPER. And so you can see this week so far, we're getting a very nice up thrust, and tomorrow will be really interesting because if we get a Friday close here or higher, we'd have a bullish engulfing pattern on a weekly chart, which would be really good. But in the meantime, the daily chart kind of concerns me. So I do think eventually we go higher, but on the daily chart, we have so here's where I reinitiated the buy rating, went lower. We had a confluence of moving averages coming together that I've shown you many times. And this is a bearish rainbow convergence, as Tom McClellan would call it. And so this is a type 2 retracement where it comes back to the moving averages. And the concern here is if it can't break through, then it promises a new low. So it promises that we would go below 27.13. So when I saw this convergence coming together, because two things happen when these convergences come together normally, a very high percentage of the time. The downtrend will stop and prices will just float here until the moving averages come down and test it. That's called a type 1 convergence. And a type 2 convergence is when prices come back to the moving average. And again, if it can't get through, it promises a new low. And so when I saw this convergence coming in, I bought some more 2 days ago and bought some on Tuesday morning. And now, up, I don't know, 3 or 4%, or I think that's what it is. Maybe not quite that much, maybe 2%, 2.5%. I'm seeing this. And so I'm selling half of my position. And if it breaks through, so be it. And, I probably will still get a chance at some point to add into my position on a pullback. I don't chase. I won't buy if it's up tomorrow, 2%. But I will if it pulls back after that. So I'm suggesting that you be cautious here, that you sell a little bit, however big or small, or however aggressive or non-aggressive you are, so that if it does go and hit a new low here, you're able to buy in at lower prices. So that's all I wanted to talk about today. I think it's a timely addition to your holding in copper. And one last thing, we'll look at the point and figure chart. Still got our blue trend line intact. We got a bullish price projection of 49 way up there. But I want to see us get through this bearish rainbow convergence. If it doesn't get through, I will be, and it goes to a low, I will be buying even more than I bought 2 days ago. So thank you for watching. I would strongly recommend that you subscribe and like. That way you get intraday updates like this one that are actionable. Thank you for watching Chart Built Wealth, profitable investing with technical analysis. Have a great day.